Hey, Alpha fam, welcome back to another episode of Alpha Commission. Today on Alpha Commission, of course, we are going to go over the pullback on the Bitcoin chart. As I was suggesting, there was a high likelihood of this pullback to occur thanks to the alpha momentum pools, which did suggest that we had broken in and retested the top of that momentum pool, and then we struggled to get back above it. In fact, we just ended up swimming towards the bottom, but not to the bottom. So, in fact, we did preserve some momentum, and I can't be too bullish, but I can't be too bearish either, as that bit of momentum was preserved. And so, we do have an area on our new alpha momentum pool today that we are beginning to swim around in on this first 4-hour candle for the day. But you can see we do have a pretty tight range to move in. So the width of that range is actually from 20,915 to approximately 20,785. And as long as we hold above 20,785, we do have that kind of wiggle room on the daily. Unfortunately, the 2 to 5 day projection does suggest that if we don't hold on to 20,915, that we will have lost our momentum for the week. And so getting back above that number is quite critical. Guys, you do see our EMAs on the 4 hour. We do have this type of a 4-hour squeeze, which can get a nice bounce around the 35, around the 50, around the 89. And so we do have a ways that we could potentially drop down, but we would hope to be able to catch ourselves somewhere in that area. And as long as we do hold above 20,350, I can't be too strongly bearish either. There is still, overall a higher low that would be put in, and we wouldn't have broken market structure too terribly. This just would have been a pretty severe dip, and this momentum pool is basically suggesting that if we break the bottom, that there could be continuation down, and then of course if we break the next level, the strong bearish, it would be even more continuation down, and then finally, if we break a 19,750, we would really have considerably broken our structure, and I would consider just our momentum to be lost until, well, we could talk about that at that time. Now, the strong bullish bias is going to be above $21,060 if we can close the day above 20,915 and then hop up to 21,060. Then we do have a good chance of exploring these higher levels. Going to keep this episode short and sweet. Again, uber bullish above 22,816, mostly for structural reasons. Strong bullish bias above 21,060. Pretty bullish, but just watch out above 2915. I am going to be a bit worried below 20,785. Strongly biased to the downside under 20,350. And then, we can talk about lower targets if we do end up under 19,750. That's your alpha for the day. Stay safe and happy trading.